Hey, what's up guys? In today's video I am going to discuss about jQuery functions. You can also say jQuery methods. So let's start. First of all, text sets or return the text content of selected elements. It means it can set or it can also return the value of the elements. The second one is HTML. It can also set or returns the value of the element. Third one is value. It can also set or return the value of the input fields. So let's try these functions in localhost. First of all, open the example and you have to enqueue this script to work jQuery. You have to enqueue it there and then you have to copy these functions. Indentation is important. And after that you have to copy this paragraph in there. So first one is paragraph, second one is also, and third one is paragraph, but there is an input field inside this paragraph. Then you have to copy the button which is there and you have to paste it there. You have to refresh your front end. So as you can see, this is the button first with ID button 1 and this is the paragraph 1 with ID test 1. So as I click on this button, this will trigger. So I am going to trigger first button but with ID button 1. So in inspect you can see button 1 and paragraph with test 1. So as I clicked on it, the paragraph will change. As you can see, the paragraph is changed. So I am going to try the second one with the HTML, but there is a HTML tag inside this HTML function. It means it can add HTML. So as I clicked on it, so as you can see, there is a hello world with bold tag of HTML. So this is the mainly difference between text and HTML. So after that there is a value. So as I click on it, it will change the value of the input field. So as you can see, the input value is changed. So these are three main functions. So I am going to get the values from this paragraph. So I just have to remove this from inside this function and I have to alert it just like that. So refresh it. As I clicked on it, it gives me the value of the paragraph 1. So after that, the same way you have to alert the HTML. Refresh it. So as I clicked on second button, it gives me object because HTML is not presentable in the alert tag. You can console it. So let's try the third one. So refresh it. As I clicked on this, it gives me the value of this input field. So guys, these are the important functions of jQuery. You can use it to get values and you can also set the values of the input field. You can also set the values of the paragraph headings. So if you find my video useful, don't forget like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.